District of Columbia v. Heller, 554 U.S. 570, was a landmark decision of the U.S. Supreme Court ruling that the Second Amendment to the United States Constitution protects an individual's right to keep and bear arms, unconnected with service in a militia, for traditionally lawful purposes, such as self-defense within the home, and that the District of Columbia's handgun ban and requirement that lawfully owned rifles and shotguns be kept unloaded and disassembled or bound by a trigger lock violated this guarantee. It also stated that the right to bear arms is not unlimited and that guns and gun ownership would continue to be regulated. It was the first Supreme Court case to decide whether the Second Amendment protects an individual right to keep and bear arms for self-defense or if the right was intended for state militias. Because of the District of Columbia's status as a federal enclave, the decision did not address the question of whether the Second Amendment's protections are incorporated by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment against the states. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.